Okay, so I've been hinting about it and kind of showing you bits and pieces. We now have onboard air. The total cost is about anywhere from $50 to $65. I happen to get really lucky. There's a store down in Lenoir, North Carolina, called Bargain Hunt, and they happen to have a Greenworks, which I've never heard of them. I'm pretty sure they're from China or somewhere like that. But it's a Greenworks air compressor. Had a 2-gallon hot dog tank, exactly what I was looking for. And it just so happened I got the tank, like the entire compressor, for $27. And that really led to all the pieces basically to do the build. I didn't actually record putting it all together, partially because it was a lot of back and forth and trips to Lowe's, and oh well, I need this, 3/4 inch fitting, and I need this and this and this. It's just kind of nuts, and really not a lot of fun to watch, other than me yelling at the guy at Lowe's because he was a total jerk face and just a hateful person. But anyway, let me quit talking and actually show you what we put together. Okay, so as you can see, there's a 3/4 inch elbow right there, which is 90 degrees, and it's 3/4 down to a 1/2 inch and then to a 3/8. And because that compressor disperses a lot of heat, I went with a 3/8 brake line that goes down up under the battery. We put an air chuck in the side, which this isn't going to be the final one. It's just a weird scenario. I've still got some cleaning up on that. Anyway, that runs along here. I still have to finish putting the Jeep back together, but just nylon tubing. It's got a 225 psi load range, basically running into the back here. This actually used to be the exhaust from a generator that I bought at a yard sale that I fixed, and then it exploded. But anyway, this is an exhaust cover for that. 105 psi cutoff. There's just a regular T into that. This is 1/4 inch, I believe, 1/4 inch aluminum tubing. Like I said, the compressor came with all that stuff. And if you vent the air, see it builds pressure back up pretty quick. It's kind of nice. You can run, I'm running the 1/2 inch impact with it. It's not incredibly strong. I would have to do some more figuring out as far as the compressor goes. But it's plenty enough to run lockers, or if I wanted to pump up tires or whatever. But anyway, that's bolted down through there, and I've got a metal plate under here. Well, kind of see there. So that's bolted in. I've still got to finish putting the dash back together, but you have your on-off switch for your air, your little pod lights, big LED bar, which has apparently been on the whole time that I've been out here playing with it, which is hilarious. But yeah, I've got to tuck the wires up and all that and clean it up and put it all back together. But she works, and works well, which is just unbelievable to me. So let's put this thing back together, and we'll see you guys later. So hopefully you guys enjoy that video. It's just kind of a quick overview showing, holy crap, I built something and it works. I would say that just about anybody with any kind of mechanical knowledge or anything like that could do it. Literally all it is just putting on a couple of fittings, and mine does have an inline filter and stuff like that on the outlet. I'm still not entirely done. I would like to have an inline oiler for the intake side and a small filter, which if you noticed in the video there kind of wasn't one, because I don't quite have it yet. Other than that, I mean, she's pretty well done, and it should serve all the purposes that I wanted it for. Mainly just airing up and down at the trailhead, because I haven't really been able to do that much, because you know, this day and age everybody has a debit card and you don't really think about carrying quarters for an air machine at the gas station. So now that we have the onboard air, we can air down and hopefully air back up and try that out some and see what kind of difference it makes. I'm sure it'll make a lot, especially with, you know, traction and all that kind of thing. But if you have any questions, feel free to message me and anything like that. I mean, I can send you, I would say I'd send you part numbers, because I'm pretty sure I've got the receipts and everything. But like I said, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and just tell us what you think. We appreciate all the input that we get. I know a lot of family and friends watch our videos just because they have to. But I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a great day.